Welcome to Noor Tech. Today, we're starting our AI journey with a simple question. What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which means machines are software that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, and even creativity. Imagine your phone recommending videos, your email filtering spam, or a robot vacuum cleaning your house. All these are examples of AI at work. In 2026, AI is not just the future, it's the present, impacting everything from education to business to healthcare. AI comes in different forms. First, we have narrow AI, designed for one task, like a chatbot or a recommendation system. Then general AI, which can perform any intellectual task humans can. And lastly, super AI, which is theoretical but could surpass human intelligence. Today, we'll focus on how you, as a beginner, can start learning and using AI tools to improve your life and career. We'll explore real projects, tools, and strategies in the next videos. Mini story. Imagine an AI assistant that helps students summarize textbooks instantly. Instead of reading 200 pages, you get a concise summary in minutes. That's AI in action. Tip: don't be intimidated. Start small. Use AI tools to assist, not replace, your learning or work. By the end of this series, you'll be confident creating AI projects, generating content, and even monetizing your skills. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because this series will prepare you for the AI revolution in 2026 and beyond.